Hello viewers, welcome to new video. In this video, I'll show how to fix Samsung menu button not working problem. This problem is sometimes when using this phone. Let's see how to solution this problem. Go to phone setting or open on phone setting. Then scroll down. Tap on general management. Scroll down. Tap on reset. Click on reset all setting. Tap on reset. Click on reset. Go back home screen. Press on power button on your phone. Tap on reset. Reset phone normally. Now menu button working. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.